Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections, here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 6873 Apollo Road, West Lynn, Oregon 97068. The current time is 1:55 p.m. on February 12, 2019. The house is facing northeast. There's the northeast street there out the garage doors. As you can see, I'm in the garage where in the concrete on the back occupant wall there's a 4-inch ABS cleanout. This is where I'll be accessing the line for inspection. So I've just put the head of my camera facing downstream. I'm going to pause the video for one moment. So I just turned the water on in the laundry room sink. The purpose of this inspection is to determine the overall condition and serviceability of the sewer lateral for this property to the city main. Just waiting for the water to start flowing. I'm hoping it does. Yes, there it goes. I'm going to go ahead and zero out my foot counter here and begin the scope. We're still in ABS. Looks like it goes right underneath all the concrete. And so at 23 feet we begin to see some heavy standing water and debris buildup. Let's see if I can emerge out of this. So all that, my camera just pulled out, all that blockage. And it looks like it's the pipe that actually transitions to concrete. I'm going to keep going, and then I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and mark this in a minute here, but at 38 feet we have reached the city main. I have identified a manhole out on the street above on the hillside coming down. So this is definitely on the northeast street. I'm going to go ahead and zero out my foot count, or not. I'm going to pull back my line from here. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to locate this area here. It's most likely underneath the concrete driveway. I just turned the water off so I could see the water receding, but when I first got into here, that's when I saw that there was standing water, and it definitely, my camera pushed out debris. So you can see the sidewalls too are starting to develop. I'm going to pause the video and locate this area and mark it on the street. I'm going to have to pull back the line again really quickly just to get a better accurate. About right there will do. Okay, I'm finding this area. The water's completely off right now, so as you can see, it's definitely a belly in the line so this pipe has most likely been shifted and then starting a reverse slope up towards the transition. As you can see, this water here standing. So I'm just going to try to mark the transition. There's a lot of bushes out there, so I don't know if I'll be able to mark this, but I'm going to try. Okay, so there's a pretty large dirt mound there. The depth counter on my for my locator says about 3 to 4 feet, but that doesn't seem as accurate. So it's in the north corner, so it actually exits the north corner of the house out the garage and starts where the sidewalk on the dirt portion and goes up into some bushes. So this is where I've located this transition point. You can see, pretty significant. And another thing is, this looks like it might be shared with the property adjoining on the on the northwest side. So this looks like could be an easement though, going in between the properties. But this is where the main is, and it looks to me like it's not on the street, but joining with the property on the northwest. So I'm going to go ahead and pull back my line. You can see I haven't had the water running, and there's all this pooling here, so that could cause an issue over time. There was definitely some debris when I first entered that my camera pushed out. It looks to me like a pretty big belly in the line. There is no concrete or asphalt above the area, so it should be an easier fix. But at this point, this will fail the line. I will have a written report and this video upload for you and your realtor to view. I did mark these areas as much as I could on the northwest side of the house. It is raining hard, so I don't know how much it'll stick. But you do have the video, and I'll have a diagram as well in the report. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.